the National Testing Agency (NTA) declared the results of the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test Undergraduate (NEET UG 2024) on June 4, 2024. This year, a total of 67 candidates have achieved NEET All India Rank 1 with a percentile score of 99.997129. Many students and teachers have raised questions about how anyone can score 718 marks, stating that it is impossible. After 720, you can only score 716 marks, and 718 marks is not possible. The NTA has issued a clarification on this. NTA said that the candidates who reported losing time during the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test Undergraduate (NEET UG 2024) have been given grace marks. However, on May 16, a matter had reached Patna High Court alleging leak scandal in NEET UG examination. For this, a CBI probe was being considered against the demand for exam cancellation. Several social media users too are claiming that NEET exam paper got leaked. People in X shared their concern, and I quote, "In all, 67 students scored 720 marks out of 720 and got rank 1. This unprecedented number of perfect scores is highly unusual and raises question about the integrity of examination process. In 2023, we had just 2 toppers who scored 720 out of 720. In a highly unusual outcome, 8 toppers are from the same examination center in Haryana. In all, there were about 4,100 examination centers across 550 cities, and we have 8 toppers from just one center in Haryana." When students raised the scoring issues, NTA came with a weak alibi. They said they awarded grace marks also for loss of time. How did they measure who lost how much time? This was never said, nor documented, nor announced. It seems to be a post facto excuse, a lame one at that. Sharing the screenshot of toppers list shared by the NTA, another student said, "All roll numbers are too close. It shows that the paper was leaked. Why is NTA playing with the future of young students?" The results were unexpectedly disclosed amid the excitement around the election results. Even though they were supposed to be announced on June 14th, the unexpected announcement amid the election result is also proving a leak NEET paper leak. The Observer Post spoke to Dr. Faizan, Vice President of All India Medical Students Association. Let's hear him out.
नीट 2024 मतलब MBBS के एग्ज़ाम में लगभग 25 लाख स्टूडेंट्स अपीयर हुए थे। तो 25 लैक्स अगर अपीयर हुए थे तो इनसे हर एक स्टूडेंट से लगभग 1600 से लेके 1700 रुपीज़ कलेक्ट हुए। तो अगर सम करा जाए तो लगभग 400 करोड़ रुपीज़ NTA ने जनरेट किए थे, NTA ने कलेक्ट किए थे। और पूरे हिंदुस्तान में, पूरे इंडिया में लगभग इनके 500 सेंटर थे। मतलब पर सेंटर 1 करोड़ रुपीज़ से लेकर 90 लाख रुपीज़ पर सेंटर जनरेट किए। एक इतने बड़े अमाउंट जनरेट करने के बाद, एक इतना बड़ी रकम जनरेट करने के बाद अगर नीट एग्ज़ाम का पेपर लीक होता है या वहाँ पे मिसमैनेजमेंट होता है तो एक बहुत बड़ी शर्म की बात है। एक स्टूडेंट 3-3 साल पढ़ाई करता है, 2 साल मेहनत करता है, 15-15 घंटे डेली पढ़ता है और फिर वो एग्ज़ाम में जाके अपीयर होता है और फिर बाद में पता चलता है कि पेपर लीक हो गया था या वहाँ पे मिसमैनेजमेंट हुआ, तो ये कितनी ज़्यादा ट्रॉमा की बात है। 400 करोड़ रुपीज़ कलेक्ट करने के बाद अगर NTA से मिसमैनेजमेंट होता है और उस मिसमैनेजमेंट को कवर करने के लिए अगर आप ग्रेस मार्क देते हैं तो ये NTA की इनकॉम्पिटेंसी को दर्शाता है।
Amid news reports about the question paper leak, a group of candidates have moved to the Supreme Court seeking fresh NEET UG 2024 examination. The plea filed by Shivangi Mishra and others has made the NTA a party and raised the issue of paper leak and the sanctity of the test while seeking a direction for conducting fresh examination. The plea alleged the NEET UG test held on May 5 was riddled with malpractices as various instances of paper leak came to the knowledge of petitioners. The alleged paper leak was violative of Article 14 right to equality under the Constitution as it gave an undue advantage to some candidates over others who choose to attempt the examination in a fair manner. The plea, which was filed on June 1st through lawyer Usha Nandini V, may be listed before a vacation bench this week. If the alleged NEET paper scam is true, the NTA should be held accountable for playing with the lives of hard-working students.